In today's video, I'm going to show you my strategy to avoid false breakouts and enter into the right ones. So my strategy basically has three components that help me find great breakouts. So for the first one, let's go to the chart. Before we enter into a breakout, I want to show you how the breakout actually works. So here we have four components. We have a range before the breakout, we have a break right here with this candle, we have a breakout to the upside, and the last thing we're going to talk about later. The first component that we're going to talk about here is actually inside this range where price is going up and down and up and down and up and down. What I see so many new and even more experienced traders do is enter right here at the tops of the range, hoping that this candle would actually break the range and do the actual breakout, such as this one right here. Let me tell you why that's a mistake. Before every breakout, there is range. This is a battle between buyers and sellers that are fighting for the next target, where price is gonna go. And depending on who wins this battle, price is either gonna break to the upside, such as in this case, or to the downside. If you try to enter every time at the top and the breakout happens to fail, you are going to get stopped out so many times by those wicks. What you should do is draw a support and resistance level, such as these levels right here. This is the resistance and this is the support. 99.9% of the traders focus on the resistance level right here and they try to enter when price breaks it. Now, what I want you to do is try to identify the support level and enter every time price hits the support level, such as in those cases. This way, even if the breakout doesn't actually happen and price rejects, you can close your trade at break even, at small loss, or even at a small profit. This would help you avoid getting stopped out so many times that you ruin your risk to reward. And you can actually re-enter the next time where the breakout is actually going to happen. So let's move on to the second tip. Now, the second part of my strategy is actually identifying targets. So let's go back to the chart. As you can see, we are on the 5-minute time frame. But if we go to a time frame that's 3 to 4 times bigger, for example, like the 15-minute or even the 30-minute time frame, let's go to the 30-minute, we can actually see if there is a target to the upside. And what are the best targets for breakouts? In short, gaps. Gaps are levels or candles where price hasn't been retested, such as this one right here, this one, as you can see there is a gap, and also right here. Oh, by the way, that's an alert for profit. If you have no targets, you can't actually trade breakouts, because even if you buy at the right place right here, you don't know where to actually sell. So move to a bigger time frame and identify targets. For example, on the 30-minute chart on BTC, what I see immediately is this level right here, also this level right here, and the third one is this. So those should be your targets when you enter into the breakout. If you have no targets to the upside, price is unlikely gonna go there. It's more likely to find targets to the downside if there are any gaps. For the third and one of the most important parts of my strategy, we have to go back to the 5-minute time frame. We are back on the 5-minute time frame, and I want to show you the difference between a breakout candle and a false breakout candle. And it is super simple in an indicator that everyone has. It's volume. The breakout candle had so much more volume than the average candle. As you can see, we have the 9 EMA on the volume, and I actually use it from time to time to identify which volume bars are bigger than the others. Most of the times when a breakout happens, the volume bar is significantly higher than the other ones. Those volume bars right here, which are for sales, are way bigger than this bar right here. And this bar happened to be a false breakout. So in summary, the three things you should look for. Number 1, enter at the bottom of the range and not at the top of it, have close stop losses. Number 2, zoom out on a bigger time frame such as a 30-minute if you trade on the 5-minute, or a time frame that's 3 to 4 times bigger than your initial trading time frame. Piece of advice number 3, look for high volume on the breakout candles. If you want me to make a video about a certain topic and a way of trading, just comment down below and I'll probably make a video on it. Thank you for the huge support on the channel and see you in the next one. Bye.